Hi, I'm your new aerial photography partner. Brighter and smarter. Take me with you and let's start our adventure. With Dynamic Track 2.1, I can follow you anywhere you go. And with millisecond autofocus, capture your shots with instant clarity. A 1-inch CMOS sensor and 6K camera allow me to deliver crisp and vibrant images. And Autel Skylink, we can explore anywhere you want.
Hi, I'm Evo Lite. Equipped with a 4-axis gimbal, I can shoot lossless vertical videos and help you master cinematic shots with just one click. Boasting 50 million pixels and a RYYB color filter array, I will capture every detail you want and upload your images wirelessly in seconds, so you can spend more time sharing, less time waiting. With 40 minutes of battery life and all-new ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance system. Fly further, faster, and safer. Evo Lite to Evo Lite Plus. New perspectives, new possibilities.